Well, today we're going to plant. One thing I'm going to show you, especially in your laundromats, people use WD-40 and that's a great product. Fluid film. Now, I'm not a sponsor. This isn't free. I pay for this stuff. We started using this at work a while back and it is the greatest thing since sliced bread. It literally keeps salt and stuff, and it's I don't know, it's got lanolin in it, and supposedly that like helps it stay lubricated. I use it on everything now, even at the laundromats. I love it. And it keeps things from rusting too. So just an FYI, people actually have stuff like this they use for powder undercoating their vehicles. So we're gonna get in here. We got these chains I gotta spray real quick. I gotta mount that pump the rest of the way, check it for oil, and then we are ready to go planting. We got the seed and everything, so let's get started. All you gotta do is take this off, put the seed disc on. Planting soybeans, so I'm gonna spray this with some lubricant just to be on the safe side. Just so it doesn't come off or have a problem. Soybeans go in these little holes, air forces them into the holes, they lose air somewhere around here and they drop. That is how it works. There we go. Here's one of those satisfying videos for you. Dumping soybeans into a planter box. I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied that's a lot of work. I'm satisfied that's a lot of work. I gotta do 8 more now. Little field. Last 6 acres, 5-6 acres. Got the planter in tow. Just a little wooded path through here. I'm going to get through without a problem. Need to make this path just a wee bit wider. especially for the combine. Yeah, look at that very fine. Get an acre and a half, maybe two. Coming up on my last pass of planting for 2022. A lot of people wonder, why do I farm? It's because I love doing it and it's my hobby. Like, some people golf, some people go fishing, I farm. I have the laundromats and I have rental property, but farming is the thing I really love doing. I know I'm bouncing you around. Getting ready to turn here real quick. Last pass. Here we go. Always a nice relief when you're going down. There'll be a little bit there, but I don't know if I'll be able to plant it. But it's always a relief when you're on your last pass. This is nice. This ain't a very big field, but when you're a little farmer, you farm what you can. Now we're gonna go check the planter. We're gonna see if there's any seed left in this thing. Yep, there's still seed left in it. You can see it right there in the plate. That's the seed. It goes up in those little holes, those little slots, and then it drops down that chute. Yep, so we planted everything. Hallelujah. How much did we have left? Well, quite a bit. We're gonna go ahead and plant this grass area and then spray it. It didn't get sprayed. The previous farmer didn't farm it. Sometimes it's not always about making money, it's having fun in life. And when you can make money and have fun, that's a double whammy. And that's kind of what farming is for me. I know it seems crazy, like that makes no sense, but it works out. I'm looking around because I'm trying to avoid mailboxes. For some weird reason, they put them right on top of the road, and the planter likes to knock them over. They stick out so bad. Now that I got planting done, I have someone else spray my crops, so all I got to do is work on the laundromats now and kind of fix my property up